Hello and good day to you out there, wherever you are in the world. This is Samuel and I can welcome you to this channel at the Sam Online Academy. In this video, we'll be looking at logarithm. This is actually our second lesson on logarithm. Specifically, we'll be looking at how to convert from the index form to the logarithmic form. So just please hook up and enjoy the class. And before I proceed, I would like to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and share it with others. Also, click on the bell icon so that you will always be notified whenever we upload a new video. So, enjoy the class, like I said. Okay, enjoy the class. So, So, good evening, good day. My name is Samuel Anekan. So, this is our second lesson on logarithm. In this lesson, we're going to be looking at how to convert from the index form to the logarithmic form, and from the logarithmic form to the index form. So, I have the first example I have here is 125 is equals to 5 raised to the power 3. So, in case you've not watched our first lesson, I would like you to watch that first lesson so that you can easily understand what we're doing today. This is a follow-up of the first lesson that we had on logarithm. So we want to look at how we can convert from the index form to the logarithmic form. So whenever you want to convert from the index form to the logarithmic form, what do you do? So from what I explained last time, 5 raised to the power 3 is equals to 125. When you raise 5 to power 3, it gives you 125. That means the log of 125 to base 5 is equal to 3. Okay, so what do? You have a single term here. This is a single term. So this is the term with the index. This is the term with the index, and this is the single term. So your log is going to come where you have this single term. So this is going to be log 125. Okay? So you're going to write log 125. Now, what next? This is the index. 3 is the index, while 5 is the base. In the index, this is the index form. So now you have log 125, but what is the base of that log? The base of that log will be gotten from this term here. So this 5 here, which is down, this 3 is up. This 5 will shift its location, will shift from this side to this side. So it will now become the base of the log. So you bring the 5 here. So you have log 125 to base 5. So this 3 will now drop down and stand on its own, equals to 3. Log 125 to base 5 equals to 3. Okay. So this is your final answer. Okay. So let me just quickly do it again. So what do? You put your log to the side that has a single term. This is a single term, 125. Next, you bring the base. What is that? This is down. This is up. Down. This is up. What is down will come over here and become the base here. The base here will become the base here. The base in the index form will also be the base in the logarithmic form. So 5 is the base in the index form. It's still going to become the base in the logarithmic form. So you put the 5 here, which is the base here in the index form. It becomes the base in the index logarithmic form. Okay. So this 3 will drop down and replace where the 5 is standing. So you have log 125 to base 5 equals to 3. So that is just the answer in this example. Okay. So I'm going to do one more example and give you some exercises to try. So example 2. In example 2, we have 81 equals to 9 raised to power 2. Okay? 81 equals to 9 raised to power 2. Okay? So we want to convert this to the logarithmic form. This is the base. This is the index. Okay? So, just like I said before, 81 is on its own. Here you have 2 times the index and the base. The base in the index form, like I said, will always also be the base in the logarithmic form. So this is going to be log of 81. Then the base here will shift here and become the base in the base in the index form will shift to this side and become the base in the logarithmic form. So we have base 9. So 2, which is index, will just drop down and stand on its own. So we have log 81 to base 9 equals to 2. Is it clear? So I will take one more example. In the example I'm going to take right now, I'm actually going to put the index on the left hand side and this on the right hand side. Okay, so that you won't be confused when you come across an index equation in that form. Okay, so we have 81. I'm still going to make use of 81. 81 equals to, okay, no. This time around, I said I'm going to put the 81 on the right hand side. 81 equals to 9 times 9 is equals to 81. Also, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 4 threes will still give 81. So this is the same thing as 3 raised to power 4. 3 raised to power 4. So 3 raised to power 4 is equals to 81. This is the index form of the equation. This is the index form of the equation. So we want to convert to the logarithmic form. So what do? To convert to the logarithmic form, we are going to just like I told you, what is the base? 3 is the base, 4 is your index, then 81 is standing alone. So what is standing alone? You're going to 81, you're going to say the log of 81. The log of 80. The log of 81. The log of what? 81. Okay? So, now, what is the base of 81, log 81? The same base in index form, which was 3. So, this 3, which is the base here, will come over here and become the base in the logarithmic form. So what are you left with? The index 4 will just drop down and stand on its own as you have 4. So you have that 4 is equals to log 81 to base 3, or log 81 to base 3 is equals to 4. Okay? So log 81 to base 3 is equals to 4. Okay, so I'll give you two practice exercise. So I would love you to go ahead and solve these 1 and 2 as practice exercise. In case you have any problem, just contact me via my social media platforms. Okay, or you can drop your comment. So we have 8. We have 7 raised to power 2 is equals to 49, and we have 27 is equals to 3 raised to power 3. Okay, then the third one, we have 8 is equals to 64 raised to power half, and the fourth one, we have that 49 raised to power 0 is equals to 1. Okay, so this is just go ahead with this. So originally I said that we're going to convert from the index form to the logarithmic form and vice versa, but I think we'll just end the class with converting from the index form to the logarithmic form. In our next lesson, we're going to look at how we're going to convert from the logarithmic form to the index form. So I don't want to make the class too long, I want to make it short. So when you've mastered how to convert from the index form to the logarithmic form, move over to the next lesson, which is going to be on converting from the logarithmic form to the index form. Thank you so much for joining me. So thank you so much for joining us this evening. I really appreciate your joining us, and I know you've actually enjoyed the class. In case you have any question, you can please drop your question in the comment section, or you can WhatsApp me on +234 8038295185. Okay, you can also connect with me on Instagram via my Instagram handle, which is Edisam for real. That is Edisam for real, EDD number 4 REAL. I'm gonna put it in the comment section. So thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share it with others. And in case you want a private lesson, I'm open to it. And wherever you need help, I can still assist you. Thank you so much for joining us. God bless you. Stay safe.